Now, if I wanted to use that easy edit and list a few more of the options here, we can do that. So I'm clicking on easy edit. And if I wanted to add a video, I can go along and click where I want it. I'm going to put my video after my link here. And I'm going to click video. Now it lets you search YouTube or MSN. I'm going to stick with YouTube, and I'm just going to search for the word Jabberwocky and see if there's anything available. It looks like we have a couple different pages here. I'm going to choose the Jabberwocky scene from the 1983 version of Alice in Wonderland. So I'm going to click on it and do add video. Again, you can do a title and description. I'm just going to do Jabberwocky video for the description and save. And I can choose the size of my video. I can make it larger by hitting plus, or I can make it smaller by hitting minus. I'm just going to leave it default. You can also choose how the text interacts with the video. If you want the text to wrap around the side of the video, you can click that option. If you want to right align your video, you can click that option. I'm just going to leave it standard and click done. And there's my YouTube video. If I click save, I'm going to skip the edit node on this one. Here's our video, and I can hit play. And thanks to YouTube, it's actually there and playing for us on our site. I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And let's go back to our easy edit button and look at a few other options. If I wanted to create a table, I can go right down underneath my YouTube video and click table. There's a couple options. For table width, it's by default 400 pixels, but I like to choose fit to page. That way it gives me the full width of my column. You can choose how many rows and columns it has. And then you can also choose some of the layout options, whether you want a border around it and nothing on the inside. I generally stick with this, that's the standard. There's a couple other visual looks that you might be interested in using. I'm just going to click Add Table. And you see right down here, we have our table. And as we click on it, we can edit content. So I can write like days and dates. And I can just edit as it goes. I'm going to adjust the zoom on this a little bit. That way our table views up a little bit better. So I'm going to type days up here because I was off because of the zoom. I have days and dates, and then I can fill in any information I want under here. So I can do like Monday, the 25th, Tuesday. Anyway, you guys get the point of how to use tables. Because I don't like the look of my table right now, I'm going to go ahead and try to delete my table. So I can hit the little X between the columns and it slowly deletes them. That was more effective. So for tables, stick with the X's. And that concludes your basic tour of the Easy Edit toolbar.